Hello and welcome to our special show, India Earns Its Stripes. We are now home to 2,226 tigers, a happy moment for everyone in India and of course here at NDTV as we've been involved in the Save Our Tigers campaign. Now India is home to 70% of the wild tigers in the world, so much so that the Environment Minister now is willing to share India's tigers with other countries. He says if any of them are interested and want help in increasing the tiger numbers, well, we are willing. Well, before we go across to our guests and question them about how these tiger numbers were arrived at, we have the two men who are at the center of this tiger estimation effort at the Wildlife Institute of India, Dr. Jhala and Mr. Qureshi joining us on the show. Thank you so much for being here. And also Anish Andheria from the Wildlife Conservation Trust, which is of course our partner in the Save Our Tigers campaign. But before we go to them, let's just take a look at this report.
और हमारे 1706 थे जब हमने लास्ट गिना था, और तब से अब जो बढ़ा है वो आंकड़ा मैं आपके सामने रख रहा हूं, जो अभी टाइगर्स का आंकड़ा है।
A big jump in India's tiger numbers, and the best part is this is the closest scientific estimate till date done independently.
We could capture almost 70% of the tigers individually in photo traps. That's the most unique thing which has happened. So the extrapolation based on scientific data, based on empirical knowledge has been very little in this, because you already have the individual tiger photograph.
Since 2006, the tiger count is done using a more holistic approach with camera traps and on-ground monitoring. This method is a big change from the earlier pugmark counting method, which always led to allegations of inflated numbers. The number one state remains Karnataka now with 406 tigers. Uttarakhand now comes in at number 2 with 340, while Madhya Pradesh, which used to be the foremost tiger state, is now number 3 with 308. But even other states have shone. The highest percentage rise, for instance, has come in Kerala with a 91% rise to 136 tigers. Now with India home to 70% of the wild tigers in the world, the minister says we are ready to help other tiger nations.
जो भी देश बाघ मांगेंगे और सहयोग मांगेंगे, हम दोनों देने के लिए तैयार हैं।
Now, while tiger numbers in the country have jumped significantly to 2,226, many challenges still remain. There are several threats to the tigers in the form of poaching, man-animal conflict and shrinking forests.
While this is a great news, but we must now gear up to manage the populations which are dispersing out of these tiger reserves, because so many tigers. Karnataka 400 tigers, Uttarakhand is the second highest population of about 360 or so, and then comes Madhya Pradesh with 300 tigers. So it's fascinating, but these states will have to put systems in place.
Many of these issues were highlighted by NDTV during the NDTV Aircel Save Our Tigers campaign and telethon.
Aircel and NDTV have now partnered for special tiger programs, where experts and concerned citizens can contribute to the cause.
In New Delhi, Gargi Rawat for NDTV.